Hello everybody. Today we are going to be walking through one of our beautiful Deer Valley homes, one of our newer models, the Zemira. The Zemira is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,920 square foot home. This home offers a lot of the higher end features that we've come to know and love from Deer Valley home builders. As we come into the kitchen, notice the beautiful big island. Plenty of space here. And another item that Deer Valley is very well known for, their cabinets. The beautiful Deer Valley cabinets. They're all maple wood, dovetail, soft close for your convenience. Just beautiful. They do a fantastic job, Deer Valley home builders. As you come around here, we've got a standard sink in this model. However, there are many different sink options available. We do have an upgraded appliance package. You've got your smooth top range, your microwave overhead. Another thing that Deer Valley does really well, that hand-laid tile backsplash. Just beautiful. So let's take a look at this beautiful pantry we have here in this model. Nice big pantry. We open it up here, plenty of space. Showing this one with the wire shelving. We do have several different options available. And notice the cove molding, everything's finished sheetrock, even some baseboard for an added touch of class. As we pan around into the beautiful living room, notice the electric fireplace with the wood slat feature wall. Beautiful touch. A lot of different fireplace options you have available in this model. You can do real wood burning fireplaces, gas, or these nice electric fireplaces. Got your ceiling fan upgrade, croft windows, this home right here is shown in the white paint. We have a lot of color options available. Your wall paints, your flooring. You got your luxury vinyl tile flooring here in the kitchen. We do have the carpeting in here. That's optional as well. You can do all luxury vinyl tile. You can do wood, or just whatever you would like there. A lot of color choices. Appliance color choices as well. Stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator shown in this model. As we come into the dining area, notice the large amount of space we have here as well. Can fit a nice big family size dining room table in here. We are showing this model with the larger croft windows in here in the dining area. You do have options for a sliding glass door or an atrium door in this space as well. We do have the vents in the floor along the perimeter of the walls in this model. You do have an option to put those vents in the ceiling or out in the middle of the floor. Also, notice these thick walls. These are 2x6 exterior side walls with R19 insulation. That's standard in all Deer Valleys. It's also spruce lumber, number 1 or number 2 grade, for added strength and fit and finish. This home's built with Tech Shield roof decking. We do all of our homes here at Kentucky Dream Homes above Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package, many of which are above Energy Star rating as well. As I said before, the croft windows, a gold rated window. Nice large guest bedroom here. Camera doesn't do it justice. This room is a really good sized room for a guest bedroom. Good sized closet. Again, we've got the wire shelving, you've got optional wood shelving. Good size in here. And we'll come around and check out the guest bathroom in here. Deer Valley always does a fantastic job, even in their guest bathroom areas. High quality tubs and sinks, some good cabinet space. Nice vanity there. Great guest bathroom. Now let's check out the other guest bedroom area real quick. Again, I think the camera really doesn't do these guest bedrooms justice. They're just a lot larger than what the camera can capture. But we do have options for stretching these rooms, including the closets. If you'd like even more closet space, we can make the bedrooms or the closets just as big as you like. And now let's check out this utility room. We have the door off the end, so you can easily attach a garage in this model. Notice the nice big electrical panel that Deer Valley puts in their homes. It's a 200 amp electrical service with plenty of extra space there to add breakers if you wanted to add a garage or a basement. This home would be easy to do that. We can do a manufactured home or a modular home. Do it over a nice full basement for you. Finish it out if you like even. Just check out this beautiful space here. Utility room, massive. A lot of good space here for a freezer, if you'd like. We've also got an optional sink area over here. This area. There's your washer and dryer area here. This really is a great use of space for this utility room. Got your furnace in this area and your water heater goes right next to it there. As we come through the hall, we've talked about all the color options that you have available, and pretty much, you know, your cabinets, your flooring, your wall paints, trim, all of these things, your siding on the outside, your shingles on the outside. So a lot of customization you can do with colors on the inside and out. A lot of customization that you can do as far as roof pitches and different exteriors that you can do as well in this home, and different things you can do on the inside. This home is shown, and it's hard to tell with the camera, but you have 8-foot flat ceilings, and you have optional 8.5-foot, or you can go with 9-foot flat ceilings as well. So another good thing that Deer Valley does, you have a return air vent in the ceiling here. Instead of having your doors really high off the ground or having a vent in those doors somewhere, it makes the home a little bit more efficient as well. As we make our way into this beautiful large master bedroom, we do have an optional ceiling fan in here as well. Loads of plug-in outlets everywhere you see, which is just one of the great things about Deer Valley, the little things that you don't really notice when you're walking a house, but then when you get in it, you notice, gosh, look at all these plugs on every wall. They just do a fantastic job, once again, of the little details, things that you really appreciate once you get in your home and start to use it on a day-to-day basis. The Deer Valley touch of class, for sure. Do a wonderful job. Now let's head into the master bathroom. They've done a fantastic job in here as well. One of the things that we've come to know and love about our Deer Valley homes is their incredible bathroom designs. And they've done a fantastic job on this model as well. Beautiful garden tub with feature wall. And of course, it wouldn't be a Deer Valley unless we had that beautiful big shower. Hand-laid vinyl tile, just gorgeous. You have this optional window here. That is optional. Some people like their privacy, and we can definitely remove that to add a little bit of extra privacy for you. Dual shower heads. One has a rain shower head, and you've got a adjustable one. We do have the fiberglass shower pan here. These are very durable, and they're a lot easier to clean than tile. So a lot of folks don't know why. Well, why don't you just tile that whole thing? And well, it's really an added benefit to the home because that tile and the grout really hard to clean on the ground there where all the soap and everything goes. So much more durable and much easier to clean. In this model, We have two very large walk-in closets. Again, with the wire shelving here, we do have a wood shelving option available in Deer Valley. Then let's come over to the other closet. Take a look in here. I really don't think the camera does these closets justice either. They are a lot larger than they're showing up on the screen here for sure. Take a look in here. What we got in here? Oh yeah. Private commode area. We are going to post some estimated pricing at the end of the video. We'll have to say that pricing does vary by state and several other factors that calculate into the price. So we're just going to kind of give an estimated price depending on your location, your situation. Just a general guide. Could be less, could be more, depending on what all your project is in need of. So call for accurate pricing, one of our locations. We do have some expansion plans here coming very soon. We're going to announce a Florida location for all of our Florida customers that have just been so fantastic to interact with. We really appreciate all the support down there that we're getting in Central Florida. So we are coming soon to Florida, and we're very excited to make that announcement and some other announcements very, very soon as we continue to expand and serve our customers. Kentucky Dream Homes is family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. We guarantee the lowest prices on every home, and we absolutely are the highest rated company in customer satisfaction in the industry. So please, let us help you find your dream home at Kentucky Dream Homes, where your dream home becomes a reality. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and for more great home tours and for more great informational videos about manufactured and modular homes, please click the link on the screen now and visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com.